everybody! Today, let's make buchu-japchae. Buchu, Chive Japchae. Did you watch my previous video? It's a cookbook, kind of steamed flower-shaped buns. So today, as I told you, I'm going to make delicious buchu-japchae and I'm going to show you how to eat this buchu-japchae with cookbook. I need some meat, pork belly. I use pork, but you can use beef or chicken. Or if you are vegetarian, I will tell you just how you can modify the recipe. Okay, so this is 8-ounce pork. So pork is already pre-sliced like this. We are going to slice into thin matchsticks. In order to cut nicely, you can just a little bit like froze around 1 hour. After that, you can cut better, faster. And then we need to season. This is the ginger. Ginger, just a half a teaspoon amount. Ginger and 1 garlic clove. Let's mince. So ginger and garlic, there. And this is soy sauce, 2 teaspoons. Black pepper, ground black pepper, around 1/4 teaspoon. And mix. Just we marinate like this. Let's refrigerate. These are ingredients for today. This is chives, Asian chives, buchu. Buchu is 4 ounce. And I just all this wash this nicely, very clean. Korean green chili pepper, red chili pepper, onion, and this is king oyster mushrooms and green onion. And this is small dried peppers, dried red pepper, and also 2 more garlic. I will use only 1 king oyster mushroom. If you like to make a vegetarian version, you can use a lot of this mushroom instead of meat. So I'm going to also cut this into really thin strips. And then just cut. This is around 3 inch long. And then here, and I will add pinch of salt. Later, sooner or later, it will be really wet. Water comes out, and then I need to squeeze out so that it's going to be really chewy when I stir fry. Next, the chives around 3 inch long, like this. Green chili pepper, red chili pepper, and also this guy also take the thin strips. Usually buchu-japchae is only chives. You add a lot of chives, but I add gochu, green chili pepper and red chili pepper to make it more colorful, and also this green chili pepper is really delicious. If you can't eat spicy food, just skip this. Use green bell pepper. Wow, spicy smell. And also garlic. Garlic you can just slice thinly. Onion about 2 ounce. Slice. All these vegetables are just cut or japchae. Japchae means that so many different kinds of vegetables all stir fry. That means so this is a japchae. We make the buchu-japchae because we add lots of buchu, chive. And also I want to make the really nice kind of oil, some infused oil. That's why I need this, red pepper, small red pepper. Small red pepper is not very spicy, only give a little flavor. And so green onion, just cut like this. And let's make oil. This is my heavy pan. And then put some oil. This is a vegetable oil, around 3 tablespoons. Green onion. You guys remember my spicy garlic fried chicken and the kampungi. When I made this, I used some of the garlic infused oil. And then today, I'm just using just the green onion and also this pepper. So red pepper make it, these two things make it this oil really tasty. Smells really, really delicious. And then we are going to stir fry everything. I'm going to fry this green onion until crispy, crunchy. Once I make this oil, I gotta cook this pork. And then I will add 1 tablespoon starch, potato starch. I need also another 1 tablespoon starch powder. Okay, I will check it out, my green onion again. So see, all golden brown. The oil is getting more and more delicious now. And then turn off and red chili. This one, just mix with this. And this is 1 tablespoon potato starch. I'll make some slurry, it calls. 1 tablespoon water. The last minute I will use. So now almost dark brown. So I'm going to remove it. Already, like my house smells so good. Let's cook. I'm going to wash my hands one more time. Probably this is too much oil for me. I have to measure 3 tablespoons. I think it's more than 3 tablespoons. So I can pour out. So this is enough, around 3 tablespoons. I can use for later, like stir-fried rice, and I can use. This is my bread, cookbook. I'm going to reheat. Okay, heat up. Very high heat. Now it's hot. And let's add pork. Don't just keep stirring. If you keep stirring, because of this starch, it's going to stick to each other. So you will see in the bottom is a little golden brown, and then turn over. Wow, smells good. Onion, garlic, green chili, red chili pepper, and all together. Buchu. This mushroom is sweating. I'm going to squeeze out water. It should be really high heat and only 1 minute stir fry until chives are wilted. And then we gotta add this oyster sauce, about 1 tablespoon. Amazing, looks so good. Lots of chives. That's why it's called the Buchu-japchae, Chive Japchae. You remember this slurry? Just make it just sticky. And turn off. Last touch, guess what it is? sesame oil. Our buchu-japchae is done. Buchu-japchae. And then I will just bring my cookbook. Oh my, look at this. Here you go. So this kind of buchu-japchae, when you go to Chinese restaurant in Korea, we usually order this buchu-japchae and also always order together this cookbook because we are eating together. I'm going to show you how to eat it. Look at that. Wow. These buns are so fun to eat together. I'll find some mushroom, and where is my green chili pepper? Green chili pepper is, I love green chili pepper. Fluffy buns and all kinds of flavors, and pork, gochu, and also buchu, chives. Make a buchu-japchae and have a party. Buchu-japchae party and buns. Today we made buchu-japchae and I showed you how to eat with cookbook. Cookbook steamed flower-shaped buns. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.